Hi, I'm Jo Gamble and I'm super excited to announce that my NutriClean Programme box has already arrived, ready for January's launch. So we've been running NutriClean here at NutriAdvance for several years and we've had great results, both with our practitioners and subsequently with their clients. But this year is bigger and better than ever. It's full of the latest research with an extra added module on supporting you with business development. Now, let's take a look inside of the box. So first of all, we've got our information pack. Now this will guide you all the way through the NutriClean, but this is invaluable for your clients. It's full of recipes, shopping lists, frequently asked questions. It's their guide throughout. And then of course, we've got this all important program booklet where we do our recording of our measurements, of our MSQ, of our toxic exposure questionnaire, so we can see what your baseline and what your improvements are through the program. Now let's go on to look at the supplements that are in there. Now first of all, we have got our UltraClear Plus pH. This is our protein powder that's specifically designed to support both phase 1 and phase 2 of detoxification. Now we use this every day, but we really ramp it up during the liquid only element to the diet, where we really focus on giving that energy to detoxification over those 3 days. So this is a massive part of the program. Next, we've got our N-acetylcysteine. Now, NAC has received loads of great press over the last few weeks and months, especially with regards to COVID-19 and reducing mucus secretions in the lungs. But that's not why we've got it as part of the NutriClean Programme. It's part of the NutriClean Programme to support detoxification. So it's a great, invaluable part of our programme. The next one that we've got in there is this all-important alpha lipoic acid, our metalipoates. Now, alpha lipoic acid supports energy transport chain, which is invaluable through detoxification. It also, as well as supporting detoxification, helps with blood sugar balance. And that's one of our goals through the programme, is really to try and stabilise your blood sugar throughout. And this is the really key ingredient to support that. Now, next we've got our Psyllium Husk and apple pectin. Now, the job of this one is to help to bind those toxins and aid elimination, which is so important because we need to get all of our members pooping all the way through the programme to make sure they're eliminating their waste. Now, finally, and I'd probably save the best till last, is my favourite product, which is the Glutathione Plus. So as well as having the active glutathione in there, it's got the other precursors to supporting detoxification. I love this program. Many of you have heard me lecture a whole hour just on glutathione. It's such an invaluable part of our detox. So are you ready to join me in January for the launch of our 2021 NutriClean Programme? I'm ready, I'm motivated, I'm excited to take you through the programme and I can't wait to see you there. You take care.